Okay, they won their snaps. Shit. All right, I think I need to exit. There we have him, the man behind the game and the man the game's inspired from. Everybody wants to get their shot. Thank you. Hi, Ritik. Welcome. It's great to have you here with us. And thank you for taking time out for being here with us. I would like to call upon two ladies on here and I'd like to call them and ask them to please hand over a small token of appreciation, a bouquet coming in for you from Sanchita from Reliance Digital Express. And she is accompanied by Rachna. Two ladies here. And they can't keep their eyes off. And thank you. Okay, Ritik, I'll take that off you. Okay. So, Ritik, we'll ask you to take your seats. Sir, please take your seats. And we'll move on to the crux of the matter, and that is the house is open to the media. A very humble request. Please state your name and the organization before you put your question forward. And both the gentlemen here with us to take the evening forward.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? I have just been shown the cutest video in the world. I wish I could play this on the big screen. What's the name? Huh? Vihir. Okay, now this is Vihir. How old is he? 1.5. He's 1.5 years old and he has already learned how to say bang bang. I'm going to put this on the mic.
Bang bang, bang bang. Give me. Bang bang, bang bang.
मतलब कि जो हमने किया है सब सही जा रहा है.
Please raise your hand and we'll pass the mic on to you. We have our team from...
Well, first of all, I'd just like to say that I've played this game and it's just like the film. I thought it was going to be very easy. Turned out to be very difficult. But I enjoyed it so much. I've enjoyed this journey. And just like that, the film, I've enjoyed playing the game as well. Very entertaining and very challenging. You must all try it. I'm sure all the game lovers out there are going to love this one. और आप लोगों को कुछ पूछना है या मैं जाऊं?
Hi Ritik.
Hi.
Hi, Pia from CNN.
Are you asking me a question just because you don't want me to go?
No, I
Or you have a
really
question?
Yes, I have
Proper
two questions.
question.
Yes. Okay, firstly, it's very interesting what you've been doing on Twitter. Priyanka Chopra is actually,
Yeah,
lived up
she's
to
taken
the
my
dare.
bang bang dare and done a handstand with 3 push-ups.
Exactly.
Give it up for Priyanka Chopra. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Man, that girl can do anything. I should have given her a bigger dare.
That's exactly what she said. But who all are you going to challenge, and what are you going to do till the 2nd of October? What can we look forward to in the challenge?
What am I going to do in the film on the 2nd of October? वो तो मैं कर चुका हूँ.
Till the 2nd, what all challenges and who all are you going to throw the
I don't
challenges
know.
to?
Yeah. I just they are all my friends, and I was. We were actually talking. Sid and I were talking, and I was talking about how many moments we've had, how many bang bang moments we've had throughout this film. All the bang bang moments right from the script stage. जब भी we had a challenging scene to make, and we were not happy with it, and we kept saying that it's not a bang bang moment, man. It's got to be that bang bang moment, that bang bang dare that bang bang challenge became like a phrase that we've used throughout the film. So I said, why not use this, with my friends, because we've been through so many challenges why be alone in it? So I'm going to make my friends' lives also a little bit more challenging and difficult. Let's see if they're up to it. But yeah,
What if somebody throws it back at you? Would you be?
by all means, I've gone through so much, so many challenges. I can face anything now.
Right. Okay. Now we all know that Bang Bang is an adaptation of Night and Day. How difficult is it to live up to the original?
You're the only one who has questions. Why don't you come and sit over here with me?
I would love to, but yes.
Sorry, yes.
Yeah. So how difficult or how much pressure do you feel reprising the role of Tom Cruise?
I am not reprising the role of Tom Cruise actually. I am playing Rajveer, who is an entirely new character. And in fact, he's not even new. It was a discovery actually because I realized that this is the first film in which I have not had to prep even one single second for a character. और वो इसलिए क्योंकि Rajveer is me. I have just played myself in the film completely. So I hope you all like Rajveer because that is me. You don't like him, that means something wrong.
Right, but it is a Hollywood adaptation. So how much pressure do you feel to probably live up to, the original or, the success of the original?
Better. This is better. It's always better. Why will I do something where I think I can't do something, more? Also, it's not the same film. If you did not know that it was an adaptation, while seeing Bang Bang, you would not even it would not even occur to you that it's the germ was from Night and Day. So it's an entirely different film.
ऋतिक ट्विटर पे आपने या ऋतिक स्ट्रेट यो या
There. I can see your hand now.
हाय ओके ट्विटर पे आपने बहुतों को चैलेंज किया है और लोगों ने रिस्पांस भी दिया है बट शाहरुख का अभी तक कुछ नहीं आया तो क्या उसके बाद कुछ आपने सोचा है उसके बारे में उनका कोई फ़ोन पे बात हुई इस चैलेंज के बारे में या फिर उनका वेट करने वाले हैं उनको विनर बनाया जाएगा
शाहरुख ने इस डेयर को इतने सीरियसली वो ले चुके हैं इसको कि ही इज एक्चुअली प्रेपिंग फॉर इट तो उनका प्रेप इस वक्त जारी है while he's traveling and very soon we'll get to see him being the Bang Bang Day winner.